Wow, what a beautiful day today. The weather is so nice.
Yes, it's really lovely. The sun is bright, but not too hot. The wind feels soft and cool.
I love this place. The park is clean and peaceful. And look, the sea looks amazing from here.
Yes, the sea is shining like silver. The waves are dancing slowly. It looks so calm.
I can sit here all day and just listen to the sound of the sea. It's so relaxing.
Me too. I think nature gives us peace. When I come here, I forget all my stress.
True. And look at those plants and flowers. They are so green and colorful.
Yeah, the small yellow flowers look so cute, and the tall palm trees are moving gently in the wind.
The trees look like they're waving hello to us.
Yes! Hello, trees. Hello, sea. Hello, sky. Everything is so perfect today.
The blue sky looks so clear. Not a single dark cloud, just sunshine and a soft breeze.
Do you hear the birds singing?
Yes, so sweet. I think they are also happy today.
Maybe they're saying, "It's a beautiful day. Enjoy it."
Maybe. Spending time like this helps me feel fresh.
Yes, I think it's important to enjoy small things like a nice view or the sound of waves.
And it's also a good time to practice English.
Right. We can learn English while talking about what we see.
Exactly. Like, what can you see now?
Hmm. I can see green grass, tall trees, people walking, and a blue sea.
Good. And how do you feel?
I feel happy, peaceful, and thankful.
That's nice. Now it's my turn. I can see some kids playing, a family having a picnic, and a dog running around.
Oh, yes. Look at that dog. He's chasing a butterfly. So funny.
Aw, so cute. Even the dog is enjoying the weather.
I think animals love fresh air too.
Definitely. Fresh air is good for everyone.
Do you like the sea or the mountains more?
Hmm. I love both. But I think I like the sea more. I love the sound of the waves. It feels alive.
Yeah, same for me. The sea always makes me feel calm and happy.
And the smell of the sea, so fresh.
Yes, I can smell the salty air. It feels clean and pure.
We should make this a habit. Come here once a week and talk in English.
That's a great idea. We can practice English and enjoy nature together.
Yes, it's like learning with happiness.
I think that's the best way to learn. When we're happy, we remember better.
Right. English is not just grammar and books. It's about talking, feeling, and enjoying.
I totally agree. Even looking around can help us learn new words.
For example, today we can learn some nature words.
Good idea. Let's do that. Okay. Sea, sky, tree, flower, wind, wave.
And grass, cloud, bird, butterfly, air, leaf, plant.
Wow. So many words from just looking around.
See? Nature is a free English teacher.
That's true. We don't need to be in a classroom all the time.
Yeah, learning English can happen anywhere, at home, in a park, even while walking.
And talking with a friend makes it more fun.
Exactly. And if you make mistakes, it's okay. Just laugh and keep talking.
Like now, we are talking freely. No fear, no stress.
Yes, this is real English practice.
You know, I feel very lucky today. The weather, the view, and our talk, it's perfect.
Me too. It's a beautiful moment. And the best part is, we are learning while enjoying.
English Talk AI style.
Yes, learn English, talk naturally, and enjoy life.
So true. Let's come again next week. Maybe we can talk about another topic.
Sure, next time, let's talk about food or travel.
Great idea. But first, let's take a selfie with this amazing background.
Of course. Say cheese.
Cheese! What a beautiful memory.
Yes, and another beautiful English lesson too.
If you really learn English, please like, share, and subscribe.